Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade ketchup and we are going to be needing some tomato paste. I use 2 tablespoons here and I use half cup of tomato stock. If you don't have that, you can use just water. Then I go in with the sugar, white vinegar and salt. I added more tomato stock here. You can add water if you want. If you don't have stock, if you don't have tomato stock, you can add water, don't worry. I use the stock because I just made tomato paste, so I have some of the water I used in boiling the tomato, so that's why I use it here. And trust me, it makes it taste great, better than the normal ketchup. So you give it a stir and allow it to boil for a while. So the list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. You continue to give it a stir so that it will not burn, and make sure that the heat is not high heat, just low medium heat. Even low heat is better, to be honest. So after a while you go in with your cornstarch. I'm using 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and like 2 tablespoons of water. You mix it together to make the cornstarch slurry, then pour it in your boiling ketchup. This is to bring it together, to give it that thickness. This ketchup it tasted really nice. So after adding the cornstarch slurry, you let it boil for additional 2 minutes, then you bring it down. You allow it to cool before stirring. No, don't stir it hot, it might get spoiled. So and the vinegar, although the vinegar will give you tangy taste, if you don't have white vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Just squeeze lemon, then use it instead of white vinegar. It will give it a tangy taste here, but it will also preserve it in some ways. So after bringing it down, see how it is. You let it cool for a while, then you now store it in an airtight container and you can put it in your fridge. It can last up to 6 months if there is stable light. It can last up to that. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and you can also check out my other videos. I made ketchup, I made tomato paste and sweet chili sauce. There are also some marinades and all of that, Nigerian recipes, very easy to make. I also have a playlist on baking without oven. If you don't have an oven at home, how you can bake what you have to bake, how you can bake your Nigerian pastries. Please do well to check out my channel and see amazing recipes that you can try out in your home. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye.